If you want to use voice typing on a Redmi A7 Pro, first of all, we need to open settings. Over here in settings, you want to scroll down and then you want to choose additional settings. In here, open languages and input, then go to manage keyboards, and then you want to choose Gboard because this is the default keyboard that we use on this phone. In here, you should be able to find the voice typing option, and then we need to make sure that it is enabled. If it is, then you can open your keyboard. And then on the right side at the top of the keyboard, you should be able to find this microphone. So you can tap on it and grant all the necessary permissions if you do this for the first time. And then you can say things out loud once it is activated in order to convert your speech into a text. And you can tap again in order to, of course, hide that microphone. So let me just show you on the Google Chrome browser as an example. There we go, we're gonna tap on the microphone, and now whatever I say out loud, it should be converted into the text. Sometimes if you use it for the first time, it needs a couple of seconds before it starts working, but as you can see, it works. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.